Welcome to Tokyo Pengi Blog. Today I'm going to make a Japanese fried rice. There is going to be very tasty for my lunch. I have some stuff in my refrigerator. You can mix into fried rice and it's easy and you can find your best fried rice. You don't have to buy some stuff to make this fried rice. Just easy. Prepare egg, rice, and then salt or something like that. If you have, mix it. Also, if you have wafer, wafer. Here's some options. This is if you have dashi, you can mix dashi. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. Let's make Japanese tasty fried rice ever. Garlic, an egg, and some vegetable. Whatever you want, you can choose. I found ham from my refrigerator and some dashi from chicken. So this stuff and then rice, of course. Garlics, like cutting direct. Let's go to next step. It's not easy. Make fried, real fried, para chahan. So here is the first point. I don't want to make a very stinky fried rice. I want to make very nice, para. Actually, I can make the para chahan without any kind of stuffs. A little bit technical. So please use this mayonnaise a little bit inside of this chahan. A little bit. Like this. It smells like mayonnaise, but it's going to be gone after cooking. Turn the fire like this. If you like olive oil, it's okay. You can use olive oil. You can use olive oil like this. If you like the sesame oil here, and put garlic here, right like this. So I recommend you to buy this, Kadoya Junsei Gomabura. It's very tasty sesame oil, right? It's second point actually. The small fire and put sesame oil or just normal oil or olive oil into here. Oh yeah, some garlic is went to brown. Third point, like this. The maximum really hottest. The eggs inside. And then slowly put rice. Soon. And then mix. It's para already. Para chahan. Soon. And put some dashi here. Like this. Salt and pepper. Testing the taste. So good, guys. Very nice taste. Para chahan. A little bit soy sauce inside of it. A little bit. No. And then mix it. Guys, it's almost there. So put some veggie here and that green onion inside of it and then mix again. Smells so good. Like this. turn on this. Turn over like this, and just then open. Just slightly. The finish. Oh, broken. Oh. It's okay. Actually, I can eat. The shape are broken. It's okay. The taste are not the change. I'm going to try to taste. Oh, great. It's so para, you know, you can see? Para. And the taste is so good. The point I already said before. The first, put mayonnaise a little bit inside of white rice. The second, put the garlic into sesame oil. Wait a little bit time. The third point, turn on the fire the maximum and put eggs firstly and soonly put the rice and mix so fast. Yeah, I can say the third step is the most important to make para churhan. If you like beef, if you like pork, just mix it. Seafood is great option. It's really para is the most important fact. So when you make the churhan and mix some dashi, or if you have vapor, it's better to use vapor. Vapor can make tastier fried rice or something like a Chinese food or Japanese food too. So if you like my channel, I'm going to provide you good knowledge about Japan or Japanese food or something like Japanese culture. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again to next video. Thank you.